Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is a strawberry coffee cake with a nice tender cake layer, beautiful strawberry topping and some nice streusel on top. It's just a wonderful thing. Smells great. Really easy to do. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. So today we're going to be making the strawberry coffee cake. Very simple, easy recipe. Anybody can pull it off. Really good summertime breakfast. So over here I got a cup of ricotta. Warm it up a little bit, maybe about 30 seconds in the microwave, that should do it. And we're going to put 3/4 cups of sugar, just regular granulated sugar, put it right on top. 2 eggs. Leave them off for about half an hour so they get to room temperature, that way they're all baked nice and even. Put them right on top. Okay, that's the 2 eggs. And then over here I got a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Don't heat it up too bad to where it boils or anything like that, just warm it up nice and good. Alright, onto that we're gonna add a full tablespoon of vanilla extract. If you use imitation vanilla, put about half of that. That stuff's really strong. So this vanilla, quite a bit of it, it's together with the ricotta, I don't know what it does, but it comes out really good. So just mix everything together, just so it all comes together nice and good. All the eggs are broken up, all the big chunks of cheese, depends on your ricotta you use. Alright, you can use low fat, ricotta, all of this kind of low fat from the get-go. So once we get to this stage, looks like this. Alright, so we're going to put our flour. This is a really easy recipe. If you got your all ingredients ready, you can preheat your oven to 350 and you'll be done in no time. So to that, we're going to put 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Just dump it in there. And also put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You need salt in everything. And also 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So get it to rise nice and good. So put all of that and then start kind of mixing it. I use a whisk for the first maneuvers here. Makes life a lot easier. So then it's gonna get a little harder to whisk together, so just get your spatula. Also, if you don't have a spatula, works with a spoon, even a fork, whatever you got. But works real good with a whisk at first. So put that, and then just mix it all together. It's kind of a dense dough when you mix it. But it will poof up, it will rise up really nice in the oven, at least double the size. So just make sure you mix it good with your spatula to incorporate all the flour, all the baking powder. Doesn't take long at all. You can see it's coming together really nicely. It's not gonna, it doesn't really clump up on you, but it's a little stiff dough. It's, you know, it's pretty sturdy. We're going to put some nice toppings on top of this. Alright, so that's about that for this one. Looks like it came together nice and good. All the flour is incorporated, so we're going to grab our 9 by 13 inch pan, which I greased with a stick of butter. Just grease the bottoms, the sides with a stick of butter. That's all you need to do. And then dump all this mess right in there. Just like so. Perfect. And now the fun part comes to try to even it out as best you can. You kind of eyeball it when you're done spreading everything in there. So okay, that's the first stage. Once you do that, we're gonna put our, you can use fresh fruit, but it comes out really nice with pie filling. So I got a full can of pie filling, 21 ounces. And I've obviously strawberry. So what I do, to make my life easier, just to spread it out, kind of put dollops of it pretty much everywhere. Okay, so looks like we got the strawberries spread out pretty evenly, so we're gonna make us a nice streusel topping for this. So for that, I got a full cup of all-purpose flour, and to that we're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of sugar, just regular granulated sugar, and half a teaspoon of baking powder, just so it rises up just slightly, not much. And to that, 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Just dump it all together. It's going to create a really nice crust on top. Mix it good with a fork. Then we're going to go ahead and use our fingers. Finish crumpling up and spread it all over. And that's pretty much it. It's a streusel topping, so if you get lumps, that's perfectly fine. That's kind of the idea. Just spread it as evenly as you can. And we're gonna bake this thing at 350 for about 45 minutes. It's gonna, at first, you're not gonna see any difference. After about 15-20 minutes, you're gonna see it start to rise, and the rise is nice and even. It's gonna probably at least double in size. You're gonna see it when it comes out. Make sure you bake it on the middle rack of your oven so you don't burn the bottom. Really nice. Okay, so that's it. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I got it out of the oven about an hour ago. Let it cool off. It's still a little warm, but man, it smells so good. And this stuff, you can keep it in a pan. That's what we do. Just cover it up when it fully cools off, and stick it in the fridge. It's good in the fridge for 3-4 days, no problem. If you got any leftovers, it freezes really well. Wrap it up in some plastic wrap, put in Ziploc bags, and there you go. Nice summertime breakfast. Hope you guys try it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you guys next week for a different recipe.